Hello and welcome to the channel. I've got another knife review today. I'm going to be looking at a QSP Better Life. No, sorry, Better Knife, Better Life. And I'll see what we got in here today if I can get this open. And maybe this other end will open. Okay, maybe we won't look at a knife today because neither end wants to open. There we go. Probably the wrong end, but we will see what we can. Wow. And I think this is supposed to just slide out, but okay. There we go. Kind of. We're getting there. All right. Finally. Phew. So this is the QSP Hawk. And this guy has micarta handles, which you can probably see. And I've been thinking about this guy for a long time and finally got around to getting it, and I like it. So yeah, I mentioned it has the micarta handles. You got the I was going to say reversible pocket clip, but it's not reversible by the looks of it. You got the lanyard hole, liner lock, you got some jimping, and you have the thumb studs or flipper opening. And it's pretty smooth. I like QSP. Got a couple of the QSP knives, the Parrot and the Penguin. Well, I don't have the Penguin anymore. That I gave to my son, but I also have now the QSP Hawk. And what is the steel on this? I think it's a 14C, yeah, 14C28N. So this feels good. I'm liking it. It's got a little bit of a, oh, my mind just went blank. Choil. Thank you. Small choil there that you could use for choking up your grip on there. More of a sharpening choil, but you could put a finger there if you're careful. And no, it feels good in the hand. I'm liking that. Not maybe my first choice of color, but as long as it does the job that it's supposed to do, that's all that matters. Edge feels sharp. And it works. I'm liking that. Nice and smooth. Is it drop close? Not quite, but with a little breaking in, and that it will definitely be a little bit smoother, but no complaints in the pivot there. Right now it opens very smoothly. Very well. Either the thumb studs or the flipper. I don't think I can, no, I can't reverse flick it. Isn't quite that smooth, but I definitely have no complaints on how well it works. And I'm liking the profile. Feels good in the hand. Good ergonomics on it. Yes, I think I'll enjoy carrying this for the next little while and see how it performs. But if it holds up like the Parrot and the Penguin, it shouldn't be a problem. Should work well. So this is the QSP Hawk. All right. Well, thank you for joining me. This is just a quick unboxing and first impressions. Thanks for joining me on that. Hit the like, leave a comment. I'll get back to you. And I'll be doing a knife review shortly. So until then, we will catch you later.